Today we are going to have a session on types of bogies in locomotives. A bogie or truck is a wheeled wagon or trolley. In mechanics terms, a bogie is a chassis or framework carrying wheels, attached to a vehicle, thus serving as a modular sub-assembly of wheels and axles. Bogies in locomotive are provided to permit long length of locomotive body to negotiate the curves. Fabricated bogie of WAG 7 locomotive. This is a 3-axle type bolster-less bogie with 2-stage suspension, floating pivot and unidirectional arrangement of axle-hung nose suspended traction motor. The locomotive body weight is supported on bogie frame through 4 rubber side bearers directly mounted on bogie side beams. Shim have been provided below outside bearers to distribute load on side bearers in a 60-40 ratio. 60% of the load being supported on side bearers adjacent to center pivot and 40% of the load at remaining 2 side bearers. Center pivot does not take any vertical load and is used only for transfer of traction and braking force. Bogie frame and bolster WAP 4. The bogie frame and bogie bolster of Flexicoil Bogie Mark 1 are of steel casting box type construction. Manufactured as per standard laid down by RDSO. The locomotive body weight is transferred to the bolster through a center pivot. The steel cast H-type bolster is supported on the steel cast bogie frame at 4 corners by a pair of helical spring, placed in spring pocket of main longitudinal member of the bogie frame. The bolster is located with respect to bogie frame by upright pedestals, which are integral part of the bogie frame. This arrangement serves to transmit force from bolster to the bogie frame and vice versa. Spring-loaded snubbing piston 2 numbers per bogie made of phenolic material to have high friction between bolster and bogie frame for damping in both vertical and lateral modes of oscillations are also provided in the above pedestal arrangement. Lateral stops are also provided on the bolster as well as on the bogie frame to limit the side movement by flexing action of the spring, which is of the order of 32 mm. WAG 5 locomotive is having tri-mount type of bogie arrangement. Similar to WAG 7 locomotive. Our WAP 7 locomotive is also having a fabricated type of bogie. I hope all of you liked the video. We will be back with a new session. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned.